Xiaomi released a new wearable earlier this month along with the Xiaomi 12T Pro. If you want to watch a review of the Xiaomi 12T Pro, you can click on the link here or we'll have a link in the description section. For now, let's talk more about the Smart Band 7 Pro and a slew of features that come with it. What's going on, everyone? This is Nico of Yugatech, and let me share with you all the nice features of the new Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. We originally had a hard time setting up the Band 7 Pro with our phone, with all of the background permissions and the watch not being able to sync automatically. We even tried it with the Xiaomi 12T Pro to no avail. After several days of tweaking and updating the watch with a new firmware update, we finally got it working perfectly. Do let us know if you encountered the same issue and we might be able to help out in the comment section. Anyway, at first look, the Smart Band 7 Pro seems way bigger than its predecessors. In terms of display size, the 1.64-inch AMOLED touch display is about 84% larger than the Mi Smart Band, and 50% bigger than the Smart Band 7. We don't have those two other Smart Bands with us at the moment, but we've been using this one from Huawei, the Band 6. It has a 1.47-inch display, and you can clearly see the difference in the sizes of the screen. The Smart Band 7 Pro is already looking like a proper smartwatch due to that large display size, and it reminds us a little bit of the Apple Watch. That 1.64-inch AMOLED screen has a resolution of 280 by 486 pixels, giving it a 326 ppi pixel density and up to 500 nits of brightness. It also features an always-on display, which you can set in the companion app, although that will certainly affect battery life of the watch. To customize, you get over 150 watch faces to choose from. There's limited storage in the watch itself, so you can only store a few watch faces or simply delete old ones if you want to install a new, fresh watch face. I really like this retro look that reminds me of the Nothing phone. The strap is removable and interchangeable. It's made of thermoplastic polyurethane, which is smooth and soft and resistant to oil. The buckle, on the other hand, is made of polyoxymethylene, which is high-quality, hard plastic. As for sensors, the Smart Band 7 Pro comes with a few very useful ones. A heart rate sensor that comes with a blood oxygen sensor, an accelerometer, gyroscope, and ambient light sensor. Other built-in features include sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and breathing exercises. If you're a fitness buff, I'm sure you'll be glad to know that the Band 7 Pro comes with over 110 fitness modes, on-wrist running courses, and other exercise modes for beginners: fat burn, endurance, and interval. There are two more features we really liked about the Smart Band 7 Pro. First is the water resistance up to 5 atmospheres or 50 meters. You can practically go diving with this one. The second is the built-in GNSS for location tracking, meaning you can track your outdoor activities and check your trail or route via the smartphone app. As for battery life, Xiaomi claims up to 12 days of typical use time, but when we tried it for a week, ours already needed to recharge on the 7th day. Perhaps the tons of notifications we were getting on the Band 7 Pro from our smartphone was the major culprit. The watch does charge fast though, as it can charge up to 100% in just under 60 minutes. And there are so many strap colors to choose from: ivory, olive, orange, blue, black, pink, and a special pine green and moon gray colors. The Xiaomi Band 7 Pro is now available in the Philippines and comes with a suggested retail price of 4,599 pesos. It's actually a very affordable smartwatch, and Xiaomi did a pretty good job in terms of the design and features. We've been using it for a couple of weeks, and the only thing we wished it had was a longer battery life. Aside from that, everything else is spot on. The Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro is something we can truly recommend everyone should get if they're looking at affordable and feature-rich smartwatches. Do you guys like the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro as well? Do let us know in the comment section down below. Go ahead and hit like if you like this video, or consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on the notification bell to be updated of all our future uploads. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, or visit yugatech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Nico, and I will see you in our next video.